Well, now we're going to try to go to Jeon Kim, who spoke with an Odessa attorney about the homeowners' rights when it comes to defending their families' homes. She joins us live now from the Midland Police Department with more on that. Jeon?
That's right. With the recent death of Midland police officer Nathan Heidelberg, there's been a lot of questions surrounding this incident. Attorney Justin Lowe says that there's a lot of gray areas when it comes to self-defense incidents that make proving facts, difficult.
This is one of those cases that's ultimately a jury's going to have to apply the law and decide whether or not this amounts to an issue of self-defense.
Attorney Justin Lowe stating this regarding Tuesday morning's shooting that led to the death of Officer Nathan Heidelberg.
It's not just a killer out there. It's a homeowner who felt they needed to defend themselves. Whether or not they did that within the law may come down to a jury making that decision.
Texas law works to protect those who react in self-defense.
The law does tend to favor a person who is in that situation.
But only for a good reason.
It could be a perceived attack if it's reasonable in the eyes of an ordinary person to perceive that as an attack. But you can't just start shooting because you think they might. The circumstances surrounding the situation need to create a reasonableness in the mind of the person defending themselves.
With stronger laws protecting those in their home, car, or place of work, as long as the victim did not provoke or commit any other crimes, and the attacker threatened unlawfully with force. But even then, it's a difficult decision for the jury.
If someone is coming into your house in the middle of the night, it's probably an unlawful entry, and they probably had to use some force to get in, unless you left your door unlocked. Then you might actually eliminate one of the elements that would have protected you by not locking that door. But again, you go back to the unlawfully question, and that would bring up some questions depending on who it was and what they were doing.
Officer Heidelberg will be returning to Midland today, but there are still so many questions unanswered around this case. Live in Midland, Jeon Kim, Big 2 News.